Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening the map in a desktop browser so you can access developer tools. This is faster and more precise. Enter the exact place name or paste the address to locate the marker. Once you have the marker visible, right-click it and choose the context option like What's Here? Or open the element with Inspect. This exposes coordinates or a link that often contains the place ID. Keep the map pin centered before continuing. Once done, open the browser developer tools and switch to the Elements or Network tab so you can see the page structure and API responses. Search the Elements tree for strings like place ID or patterns resembling an ID. If not visible, reload and watch the Network tab for XHR or fetch responses that return JSON. You can also click Share to copy the place URL. That URL often contains. Now copy the candidate place ID exactly as shown in the JSON or URL. Accuracy matters because even one wrong character breaks lookups. To verify, paste the ID into the provider's place details endpoint or use the map search box that accepts place IDs. A successful match confirms it. If you don't get results, make sure you decoded any URL-encoded parts and retry a slightly different query or refresh the network capture. Often the ID is in a delayed API response.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.